Hello, I'm Cici. Nice to meet you. This is an air conditioning compressor with a particularly high failure rate, which is used in Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Today, I will introduce to you the components connected the external interfaces of the air conditioning compressor. This orange connection is the high pressure interface, where high voltage DC positive and negative pole are sent in. Inside, it passes through a computer board that converts it into auto current, which then drives the motor inside. The motor rotates this end with a screw plate, generating pressure. This small black plug is a 12-volt power supply and communication line, which is the power supply plug for the computer board. Additionally, these are two pipes through which the high temperature and high pressure refrigerant compressed is sent out the condenser outside. This is the high pressure outlet. This is the low pressure return. Okay, goodbye. See you next video. Thank you for your listening.